Let's talk about the top 5 social media platforms that pays this 2025. And why I personally want to talk about this is because as a content creator, if you are not profitable in this aspect, you should be able to consider the next aspect. A lot of people have been able to say, oh, if it is not YouTube, I'm not going to make it. I'm going to stand here. YouTube is what must pay me. A lot of content creators that are not doing well on YouTube are doing well on Facebook. A lot of content creators that are not doing well on Facebook are doing well on Instagram. A lot of content creators that are not doing well on a particular platform are doing well in another platform. So what you need to do is to test run all of this particular platform that I actually want to bring down to your table, so that at the end of the day, you can be able to check and say, okay, which one am I profitable on? Which one is making more money for me? Which one can I really focus on? So you can be everywhere at the same time, but focusing more on that particular one that is making and giving you more profits. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. And I'm going to be starting from my top 5 then to my top 1, so that at the end of the day, you are going to know the particular one to focus on. And the 5th on my list I'm going to be talking about is Instagram. A lot of you guys know that Instagram pays, but the good part about Instagram is it doesn't just pay content creators as quick as it's supposed to. You understand? Now, where you're going to be getting the most payments from Instagram is for getting influencing job. So a lot of people are not making money on any social media platform at all, but they are getting influencing job and making whoop sum of money every single day, compared to people that come here, film videos every single day and upload on YouTube. So one thing you need to do is, if you have an Instagram page and you notice that your audience are actually coming up, turn on the monetization professional mode on Instagram, and then look out for the kind of content that you can actually put out there so that influencers can actually reach out to you. I've seen so many Instagram influencers that will tell you that they will never go to any other platform again if not on Instagram. And I've seen so many influencers, which is Instagram influencers, on YouTube that every single day they come here to give you mind-blowing how much they have been able to make just for influencing. You understand? So in as much as the products or the money is not coming out really quick as it's supposed to, the good part is you're going to be getting influencing job. 99% of my influencing job that I've gotten is from Instagram. And trust me when I said most of the money I make from these particular jobs that I influence on, sometimes I've not even make it on YouTube. That's just the honest truth. So look out for what is actually doing well in your page, and then keep pushing out your content on Instagram. Trust me, you're going to be making money in no time, and you will come back to thank me later. So Instagram is one of the places that you can reach out to a wider audience with your reels, especially reels. Just be particular on your reels, and trust me, you will not regret it. The 4th I'm going to be talking about on my list is Twitter, which is practically known as X now. A lot of people don't even have Twitter accounts, and I ask why. I was actually coaching a particular student until she was able to show me how much she has been able to earn on Twitter, and I was wowed by it. And I was like, why are a lot of people not even going close to Twitter? Because they feel like, oh, Twitter is not a platform for them, or Twitter is too difficult. You know the beautiful part about this Twitter? Twitter, all you need to do is to do reposting and create simple content that people can actually repost, or what can actually attract people to go down there. And the monetization on Twitter is not even as difficult as what a lot of people have been saying. You understand? So if you are very good with engaging, you're very good with getting followers, and you're following people, very good with reposting, in no time, Twitter will start paying you. So this is what I always tell every single person. The good thing you should do for yourself is take out research on all of these things that I'm going to be saying, because I'm not saying this because I actually want you to go and focus on those platforms alone. I'm just saying you should test run to see the particular one that actually works well with you, and how you can use those particular one to grab what you actually want down to your table. So X is one of the best places for you to make money. A lot of people are making massive money. Like when I mean massive, thousands every single day. And the good part about them is they don't even wait till like ending of the month for them to say, oh, they are paying you so amount. Once you make your money within a week, they calculate it, and that is it. You get paid. So, and they don't have a particular threshold that they will say, oh, you need to get to $100 threshold. You need to get to $1,000 threshold. You have $30, you have $25, you have $50. just depending on what you have been able to make on X, you are definitely going to get. So that is the 4th on my list. And if you have not started trying X, you are missing out, because my brother's videos just went viral on X and I know how much he was able to make as well. Anyways, let's leave that for another gist for another day. Now, the 3rd platform I'm going to be talking about that a lot of people talk down on so well is TikTok. You guys, you know that it is not longer a news that my first 1 million to 2 million naira was from TikTok that I got it from. And how did I get this from TikTok? I got it just from TikTok live streaming. Now, for you to start live streaming on TikTok, all you need to do is to get 1,000 followers on TikTok. And to get this 1,000 followers, as far as I'm concerned, it is not difficult. And the beautiful part again I love about TikTok is TikTok videos creation is very seamless. They give you all of the tools for you to be able to use. You don't need to say, oh, I'm looking for a filter, I'm looking for an editor, I'm looking for this, and that is why my video is not doing well. TikTok has everything they need in place for you to be able to be successful as a content creator on TikTok. Now, all you need to do again, if you want to massively get that 1,000 subscribers fast, quick, and easy, is for you to go ahead and do what? And start uploading up to 5 to 10 videos every single day on TikTok. Using those trending sound, using those trending hashtags, using those trending comments to recreate another video, so that at the end of the day, you are going to be achieving your 1,000 followers. Now, on TikTok, if you are even a UK base, or you are US based or Canadian based, just know that TikTok can also pay you with your videos. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, because I have a UK account and my UK account has pretty been doing well for me these few days. You understand? So if you want to go live on TikTok, you can do live match, you can do play game, you can do different activities on TikTok. You can even be a host to start hosting and talking about regular things that people are actually looking for. Before you know, you will start making money on TikTok. Check out all your 99% of celebrities right now. They are on TikTok live stream, making massive money out of TikTok. So if you are still wasting time, you're still snoozing, you don't even care about TikTok, you are wrong. And let me tell you guys the beautiful part about TikTok again. Getting an influencing job on TikTok is very, very easy, quick, and simple. If you are in US, you are in UK, you even have access to what is called TikTok shop, where you can basically have this TikTok shop and start getting products that you can resell. I have a particular friend called Lucy. She stays in the UK, and as I'm talking to you guys, she's an influencer on TikTok. You understand? Her TikTok account is making her money. The TikTok shop is making her money. And then she resells those products again. Now, because of how bulky those products are, she shipped those products down to Nigeria and she still sells to make good money. Like the last time she exposed her revenue for me, I was shocked. So I don't come here to cap. I come here to give you solution of what can actually work for you. So if X is not working for you, Instagram is not working for you, why not try TikTok live stream? Start making $1, $2, $10, $50 today and thank me later. I have other of my students I've been able to introduce to TikTok as well. Until today, they will never forget me. Which brings me to the second app I'm going to be talking about, or the second social media platform you should actually make money this 2025, which is our popular social media platform, which is Facebook. One of the mistakes a lot of people are making is because they are not yet monetized, they feel like they can just go to people's posts and comment what they're not supposed to comment, or they can just go ahead and upload what they're not supposed to upload. Be it you're monetized on Facebook, be it you're not monetized on Facebook, your goal is to do the right thing. And if you want to really make money on Facebook, yes, you can, but you need to make sure that you need to create an audience, and that audience you're creating is because your page needs to be clean, which is creating your own original content that can actually bring value to people. I found that a lot of people, including myself, so I'm not going to remove myself out of this one. We just go ahead to just create content because we choose to create content anyhow it is. Let me just go and upload it. That is not how Facebook strategies works. Facebook strategies works with algorithm that look with the same kind of content that this person is making. So if you're making lifestyle content, are you bringing lifestyle value to that particular content? Now, no social media is ready to pay you without you producing value down. Okay? And if you want to make money on Facebook, please do ensure that every comment you are putting down on people's comments are very important. Do not use violating comments that will shadow ban your account. Secondly, do not pull up people's videos on your channel. Don't do it on Facebook if you really, really want to make money. So if you are not profitable on YouTube here, you can be profitable on Facebook. You can start making money on Facebook. A lot of people are making money on Facebook. If you even tell them about YouTube, they will tell you that, oh, YouTube platform is very stressful. You understand? So Facebook is one of the places you should also invest. You should also put out your sweat. You should also create, build an audience, and trust me, you are not going to regret it. Which is going to get me to my number one, and which is the best for me. And you guys knows YouTube. Now, I'm bringing YouTube as number one, not because of YouTube is overall the best, but because with my own analysis, YouTube pays better than every other social media platform. You understand? So because YouTube pays better, it gives creators the edge to be able to work on their content and then make more money on YouTube. If you are even hearing YouTube for the first time from me, because yes, I know that there are a lot of people that this is the first time that you're hearing about that, oh, YouTube is paying. Yes, you can make money on YouTube with your 1,000 subscribers and just your 4,000 watch hour. Now, that is just what you need for you to be able to make money. And the beautiful part about YouTube is you can make money on YouTube with as low as 0 subscribers. Like a lot of people are here that are not even monetized on YouTube, but they're already making money on YouTube. You understand? Get affiliate products, market it on YouTube. We have something called shopping on YouTube platform right now where you can actually design some shopping and then put on website for people to actually go patronize you. You understand? So YouTube the beautiful part about it is not just bent on your videos. It is not just bent on what you're doing, but it is bent on expanding you to other larger audience that can bring money down to your pockets. So if you are not profitable on YouTube this 2025, try out Facebook, try out TikTok, try out Twitter, try out Instagram, and trust me, you are definitely not going to regret it. All of the social media platforms are platforms for you to be able to make good money out of it. So do not snooze on anyone, but you can put your full focus on a particular one that you know it is very much profitable for you. And don't be among those ones that will be like, oh, if it is not YouTube, I'm not doing. If it's not Facebook, I'm not doing. This particular platform is hard. There is no particular platform that is hard. What you need to do as a content creator, if you want to really make money, is to go ahead and study how the system works. So the moment you study how the system works, it makes the journey very easy, very beautiful, and very seamless for you. And I hope this video is able to help someone out there so that you can be able to make decision on what you can actually do. Now, let me know in the comment section any of the social media platform that you've actually been making money from. I really, really want to know, which do you think is more profitable to you according to what you have already been making on any of those platforms. And if this is the first time you're hearing of any of this platform and you have any question regarding any of this particular platform on how you can actually start making money, let me know in the comment section and I will do more videos about this so that I can be able to educate you more. Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do add like I say in my videos. I'm going to be Simba and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys, I love you. Mwah.